In this video, I will show you how to download JioSphere browser on your Android TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. If you want to download or install JioSphere on your Android TV, follow the instructions I'll give you here. The first is to come over to this application called Downloader. So Downloader is an application that you must have on your Android TV. If you don't have it, check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you download or install the application to your Android TV. After installing the application, all you have to do is to launch it. And in the search box here, you're going to type in JioSphere. As you type in JioSphere, you just come over here and click on Go. As you click on Go, Downloader is going to show you sources across the internet where you can download or install JavaSphere to your Android TV. So as you can see, the first option is the best option. So come over here and click on it, and then it's going to show you where to hit the install or download button to your Android TV.